Welcome back to our channel, Aspiring Business Leaders. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey: how to build a profitable business in just 30 days. A comprehensive step-by-step guide. That's right, in the next few minutes, we'll lay out a clear, actionable plan to help you successfully launch your business within a month. Let's jump right in. The very first step in establishing a profitable business is validating your concept. While your idea might seem incredible, it's essential to determine if there's an actual market for it. Begin by identifying your target audience. Who stands to benefit from your product or service? Engage with potential customers through surveys, interviews, and social media polls to gather their insights. Platforms like SurveyMonkey and Google Forms can be quite helpful in this process. Next, it's crucial to analyze your competition. Examine their strengths and weaknesses, and consider how you can set your offering apart. Tools such as SEMrush and SimilarWeb can provide valuable insights into their online presence and market performance. Once you've collected your data, ask yourself, does your idea address a real problem? If the answer is yes, you're heading in the right direction. Use the feedback to refine your concept. By the end of this week, you should have a well-validated business idea supported by your research. With a validated idea in hand, it's time to draft a solid business plan. This document will act as your strategic roadmap, outlining your objectives and methods. Your business plan should consist of several key sections: a detailed description of your business, a market analysis, your marketing and sales strategies, an overview of your organizational structure, and financial projections. Keep your plan straightforward and concise. There's no need to write an exhaustive document. Just include enough detail to guide your next steps. Additionally, don't hesitate to seek feedback from mentors or industry experts, as their insights can be invaluable. This week, we'll focus on the essential details of getting your business off the ground. First, you'll need to select a business structure, whether it's a sole proprietorship, an LLC, or a corporation. Each option comes with its own benefits and challenges, so make sure to do your homework. Once you've made your choice, register your business name and obtain any necessary licenses or permits. Requirements can differ based on your industry and location, so be sure to check with your local government. Don't overlook the importance of opening a dedicated business bank account. This will help you keep your personal and business finances separate, making accounting much more manageable in the long run. Now that you've taken care of the legal aspects, it's time to concentrate on branding. Your brand is essentially your business's personality, and it should resonate deeply with your target market. Start by designing a memorable logo, selecting your brand colors, and crafting a tagline that encapsulates your mission. Tools like Canva and Adobe Spark can assist you in creating professional-looking designs, even if you don't have a background in graphic design. It's also vital to establish your online presence. In today's digital age, having a website and active social media profiles is indispensable. Platforms like WordPress or Squarespace are user-friendly options for building your website, while social media accounts on relevant platforms can help you connect with your audience. The final week is focused on putting your product or service in front of potential customers. You'll need a marketing strategy that fits your budget and effectively reaches your target audience. Think about employing social media ads, collaborating with influencers, or even grassroots marketing strategies. Content marketing, like starting a blog or YouTube channel related to your niche, can also help establish your credibility and draw in customers. Consider planning a launch event or promotional campaign to create excitement around your business. This could be a live event, a webinar, or a special discount for your first customers. The goal is to generate buzz and drive those initial sales. By following these steps, you can effectively launch a profitable business in just 30 days. Keep in mind that the key is to stay focused and flexible. The entrepreneurial path is filled with challenges, but with determination and the right strategies, you can achieve your objectives. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable entrepreneurial content. What business idea are you excited to bring to life? Share your thoughts in the comments below.